There are many things that doctors can do on the side to make extra money. Even though doctors tend to make a lot of money, they often start their careers late and have to pay off a lot of student loans. There are many ways to make money on the side, which is good news. In this video, we'll explore the 10 side hustles for doctors. But before we start our countdown, please subscribe to our channel PureFinancial and press the bell icon as well. Number 10, telemedicine. Telemedicine is becoming more and more popular as a cheaper and more convenient alternative to going to the doctor in person. The American Medical Association says that telemedicine grew by 53% just between 2016 and 2017. Even from the doctor's point of view, telemedicine is helpful. You can work from home, and you usually have a lot of freedom about how many hours per week you want to work. Number 9. Chart review. Chart review is the process of looking at a patient's medical records to make sure they got the right drugs or procedures. When there is a dispute over a medical claim, the parties need a board-certified doctor who can give an unbiased opinion. This is when a chart review is needed. Number 8. Expert witnessing. Sometimes lawyers will look for medical experts to give their opinion on medical evidence that has been presented in a case. The Expert Institute says that the average expert witness makes $356 per hour for the first review, $448 per hour for the deposition, and $478 per hour for trial testimony. If you want to be an expert witness, talk to some lawyers in your area and let them know you're ready to help if they need you. Number 7. Medical spa work or ownership. Medical spas are just like regular spas, but they also offer more advanced medical advice and treatments. Most of the time, doctors run medi-spas. And licensed doctors take care of any invasive treatments that estheticians can't do. Number 6. MCAT prep. As you know, getting into medical school can be hard, so students are always looking for ways to stand out from the crowd. Because of this, a lot of students are willing to pay for MCAT prep if they think it will help them get a better score. Due to the high demand, there are now a lot of online MCAT prep courses. Number 5. Medical writing and blogging. Blogs about health and wellness love it when they can publish articles from certified physicians because it gives their content more credibility and expertise. If you like to write, you could write freelance medical articles to build up a portfolio of published work and make extra money from home. Some magazines that have been known to publish freelance writer articles are the health journal Eating Well and Fitness magazine. Number 4. Medical consulting. Businesses, drug companies, and lawyers sometimes need to rely on the knowledge of medical doctors. Companies that make med tech and software for electronic health records also pay doctors for their consulting services. The Medical Economics 2019 90th Annual Physician Report says that consulting was the best way for doctors to make extra money in 2018. Number 3. Teaching. Why not become a part-time teacher or professor at a medical school if you have the heart of a teacher? Teaching might not pay as well as other side jobs for doctors, but it could be very rewarding. Number 2. Medical surveys. Take online surveys as a common tip on lists of ways to make extra money. But most surveys don't give people a good return on their time, which is a shame. But doctors might want to think about taking surveys as a way to make extra money. Medical surveys are a great way to make a little extra cash, even if you only have 20 minutes or an hour to spare. And medical surveys can pay a lot more than the usual online retail surveys. Number 1. Public speaking. There are 2 main ways for doctors to make money by giving speeches. One way is to talk to other doctors and medical professionals about the benefits of a certain drug for a pharmaceutical company. You could also talk to the public about medicine at community centers or colleges. Many people don't like speaking in public, but if you do, this could be a great way to make money and raise your profile. This kind of work could lead to more opportunities to speak or write, or it could help you grow your clinic or practice. So these are the 10 side hustles for doctors. If you like the video, leave a comment and subscribe to our channel PureFinancial for more top 10 videos. Press the bell icon for latest updates. Thanks for watching.